Namaskar. Welcome back to KNS Biochemistry channel. In this session, I am going to talk about a topic related to medical field. Suppose if we are visiting some hospitals or some medical shops or any place which is related to medical area, we can able to see some of the medical abbreviations or terms used there, some terms written over there. If you read that terms or that abbreviations or some symbols, you see that as a common man we cannot understand that, but at the same time the people who are working in that area, that is medical field, they will know the meaning of those things, they will understand the words, they will know the that is the expansion of the abbreviations. How do they know it? Because they are in that field, they read all those things, they understand that things, so it becomes easy for them. But for a common man, it looks like something new, some new words, or the words that cannot be pronounced, or the abbreviations that could not be expanded. So in that situation, so we'll feel that we have to know something about those medical terms. So this session is going to help you all, whoever is not there in the medical field, they can understand some of the words, some of the abbreviations used in medical field. So I'm going to talk about medical terminology, that is the words, the medical terms used in the field of medicine. So let us start the session now. Next abbreviation is EG. For example, then EKG, capital E, capital KG, electrocardiogram, ENT, ear, nose and throat, that is ENT doctor. They will say ENT doctor means ears, nose and throat doctor. That is, he is specialized in respiratory tract treatment. ER, emergency room. ET, endotracheal tube or endotracheal. ETA, estimated time of arrival, that is called ETA. ETOH, ethyl alcohol. ETT, endotracheal tube. Then degree F, that is a degrees Fahrenheit. Then FiO2, fraction of inspired oxygen. FBS, fasting blood sugar level. Okay, that is the sugar which is taken before the meal early morning, that is called fasting blood sugar. Fe, iron, everyone knows it, iron. FHR, fetal heart rate. FHT, fetal heart tones. FHX, family history. Suppose if you are visiting a doctor, he is not a family doctor, then he will ask for what is your family history. Family doctors will have, they know their family, but other than that doctor, if any new doctor comes, they will ask for your family history. FL, femtolita. F, small l, small f, small l, fluid. FLD, fluid. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. It's a follicular hormone secreted by pituitary gland. FX, fracture. G means gram. GB, gallbladder. GI tract, GI, gastrointestinal tract. GM is gram, GR is grain, GSW, gunshot wound, that's called GSW. GTT means drops. Capital G, capital T, capital T, GTT. Glucose tolerance test. This is done for checking the blood glucose, whether your kidneys nephron is properly absorbing the glucose, or glucose is filtered in the urine. So for that GTT is done. Then GU, genitourinary. GYN, that is gynecology. Study related to female is gynecology. H means Hava. Small h. Capital H means hypodermic. That is, capital H within bracket is hypodermic. Without bracket is also hypodermic. Both the way you can use. H and H. Hemoglobin and hematocrit. Hemoglobin and hematocrit. H and P. H and symbol HP. History and physical. H/A, headache. HB, human, that is hemoglobin. That is hemoglobin which is present in the RBC. HCT, hematocrit. Hg is mercury. HGB, again HB is hemoglobin, or HGB is also hemoglobin. HH, that is double H, that means hiatal hernia. HIV, no, everyone knows, human immunodeficiency virus. H2O is water. H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. HPI, history of present illness. HR is hour, small, that simply H is also hour. HS is at bedtime. At bedtime. HTN, hypertension. HX, history. HZ, hertz. I and this and symbol, I and O, intake and output. IC, intracardiac, inspiratory capacity or irritable colon. Then ICP, intracranial pressure. Then ICU, already everyone knows it. ICU, intensive care unit. Then IDDM, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. IM, intramuscular. IO, intraosseous. IPPB, intermittent positive pressure breathing. IUD, intrauterine device, or it is contraceptive device. Intrauterine device or contraceptive device that is placed inside the reproductive system. IV, intravenous. JVD, capital JVD, jugular venous distension. K plus, this is a plus symbol, K plus, potassium, K plus, like sodium, Na plus. KCl, potassium chloride. Then kg, kilogram. KUB, kidneys, ureters, and bladder. KVO, keep vein open. L, litter. LAC, laceration, laparoscopic assisted colectomy. IB, pound. LE, lower extremity or left eye or lupus erythematosus. LLL, triple L, left lower lobe, left lower lobe of the lungs. LLQ, left lower quadrant of the abdomen. L/M, liters per minute. LMP, last menstrual period. This LMP. LOC, level of consciousness or loss of consciousness. LPM, liters per minute. L/M is also liters per minute. LPN, licensed practical nurse. LPN, a nurse must have LPN number. That is means licensed number. Licensed practical nurse. LR, lactated ringers. LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. LUL, left upper lobe of the lungs. LUQ, left upper quadrant of the abdomen. LVN, licensed vocational nurse, like LPN. This is LVN. M means meter. MAE, moves all extremities. MAEW, moves all extremities well. MAP, MAP, mean arterial pressure. MCG, microgram. MCL, mid clavicular line or modified chest lead. MEQ, milliequivalent. MG, milligram, or MGM is also milligram. The next one, MI, myocardial infarction. MI. MICU, mobile intensive care unit, that is moving care unit or medical intensive care unit. MIN, minute. ML, milliliter. MM, millimeter. mmHg, millimeters of mercury used for this measuring the heat energy and all. MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging, or it is otherwise called NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance. MS, morphine sulfate or multiple sclerosis. MSO4, morphine sulfate. MVA, motor vehicle accident, that is MVA. MVC, motor vehicle crash. MVP, mitral valve prolapse. N means normal. Na plus means sodium. Na capital N capital A or N/A, not applicable. Na. NaCl, sodium chloride. NaD, no apparent distress or no appreciable disease. NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. NC, nasal cannula. NG is nasogastric. NICU, neonatal intensive care unit. Sorry, neonatal intensive care unit. ICU, NICU, neonatal intensive care unit. That is care unit ICU, which is used specifically for small infants or babies. Small babies. NIDDM. NIDDM, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. The other one is insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. This is non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. NKA, no known allergies. NKDA, no known drug allergies. NPA, nasopharyngeal airway. NPO, nil per OS. That is nothing by oral route, mouth. That is called NPO. Nothing by mouth. NS means normal saline. NSR, normal sinus rhythm. NTG, nitroglycerin. NTG. N/V, nausea and vomiting. NV. NVD, nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. All the three. NVD. NVD, neck vein distension. O2 is oxygen. OB, obstetrics. OBS, organic brain syndrome. OD, overdose. Right eye, optical density, outside diameter, doctor of optometry. All are having the same abbreviation. OD. OP, outpatient. OP. OPA, oropharyngeal airway. OR, operating room. OS, left eye. OU, both eyes. OZ, ounce. P bar, after. PC, after meals. The previous one I told, PC is before, that is before meals. This is PC, after meals. PCOD, partial pressure of carbon dioxide. PCOD. PDR, physician's desk reference. PE, pulmonary embolism or physical examination. PEA, pulseless electrical activity. PEARL, pupils equal and reactive to light. PEDS, pets, pediatric. PEEP, PEEP, positive end expiratory pressure. PERL, pearl, pupils equal and reactive to light. Same thing, PEARL, that is also pupils equal and reactive to light. pH, you know that, hydrogen ion concentration. PID, pelvic inflammatory disease. PND, paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea. PND. PO, per OS, that is by mouth, orally you are giving, that is called PO, by mouth. PO, capital P, capital O, post-operative, post-OP. PO2, partial pressure of oxygen. PRN, prurita. Okay, then PSI, pounds per square inch. That is SI, square inch. PSVT, paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardia, PSVT. PT patient, PT capital P capital T, physical therapy. PTA prior to admission, plasma, thromboplastin, antecedent. That is anticoagulant. That is a clotting factor involved in blood clotting mechanism. PTA. PTT partial thromboplastin time. PVC premature ventricular complex or polyvinyl chloride PVC. PVD peripheral vascular disease. Q every it is called Q. The next one QD every day. QH every hour. QID 4 times a day. That is quarter 4 times a day. QID. QOD every other day. Every day is QD. QOD is every other day. That is 1 day left next day. RA rheumatoid arthritis or right atrium. RAD reactive airway disease or right axis deviation. RBC red blood cells or red blood corpuscles. Correctly telling red blood corpuscles, RBC. RH rhesus blood factor, that is blood grouping factor, the RH antigen, that is rhesus antigen. RH means rhesus antigen or blood factor or rhodium. RHD rheumatic heart disease. RL Ringer's lactate. RLL right lower lobe of the lungs. RLQ right lower quadrant of the abdomen. RN registered nurse, that is RN nurses, they are government registered nurses. RO R/O rule out. ROM range of motion or rupture of membranes. RUL right upper lobe of the lung. RUQ right upper quadrant of the abdomen. RX prescription, the doctor is writing a prescription, that is RX. S bar without. SC subcutaneous or secretory component. SICU surgical intensive care unit, ICU. SICU. SIDS sudden infant death syndrome. SL sublingual. SOB shortness of breath. SQ is subcutaneous. SS means half. S/S small s slash means small l. Capital S slash capital S. Signs and symptoms. STAT immediately. STD sexually transmitted disease. STD. Subq subcutaneous. SVT supraventricular tachycardia. SX symptoms. SYM also symptoms. Tablet. TB tuberculosis. TBA to be admitted, to be announced. TBSP tablespoon. Tech means technician, technologist. T/A TA transient ischemic attack. that is in the muscles, heart muscles. TID, TID, 3 times AD. TKO, to keep open. TPR, temperature or pulse or respiration. TSP, teaspoon, 1 teaspoonful. TX means a treatment. U means unit. UA, urinary tract infection. VD, venereal disease. VOL, volume. VS, vital signs. W/with. WBC, white blood cells. WNL, within normal limits. W/O, without. WT is weight. YO means year old, 1 year old, like that. X bar, except. 1 degree means primary, 1 degree. First degree or primary. 20 means secondary or second degree. This is the symbol. We are using the symbol also. So abbreviations we have seen symbol. These are all the symbols. X bar, 10, 20. This symbol increased arrow mark, decreased arrow mark, psi arrow mark. That is psi symbol means no, not, none. This R with in a circle, right? That is we sometimes see rights of what you call that when you are having a drug or something you have discovered, you will get copyright. So for copyright thing they will use this symbol R inside the circle, copyright. Similarly L inside the circle, left. This symbol is micro. This is alpha symbol. These are all the symbols used. Beta symbol. This is beta. Just hyphen means approximately. Or sometimes you will put this S also. S flat position. That is also approximately. X2 times 2. Slash means per. Not equal to this symbol. This is greater than symbol, less than symbol. This is questionable or question mark or possible. This is delta. This triangle is change, delta, change in something. This is negative sign, minus. This 0 plus means that it is female symbol. 0 arrow mark is male symbol. So these are all the symbols used, common symbols used in medical field. Abbreviations, common abbreviations used in medical field. So this is something about medical field, that the common abbreviations and common symbols used. Next we are going to say about some rules, that is the rules what we have to follow when writing the medical terms, that is spelling the words. We have rules for that. So spelling rules, with a few exceptions, decodable healthcare terms, that is medical terms, follow 5 simple rules. These are the 5 simple rules which is used. Rule number 1, if the suffix starts, suffix means end of the, it comes at the end of the word. If the suffix starts with a vowel, okay, suffix starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, like that. A combining vowel is not needed at all to join the word parts. For example, it is simple to combine the combining form of arth, O
and suffix is itis. Between you are having needed here because the that idea. So already one vowel is there, so this O is not required. Second rule, if the suffix starts with a consonant, suffix is having the consonant, combining vowel is needed to join the two word parts. Now there is no vowel in the sense only consonant are there, then some vowel is should be included. For example, when building a term using R, O and plasti, see that in plasti there is no vowel. So now we are combining these two. The combining vowel is retained and the resulting term is spelled as arthroplasty. Arthroplasty, which refers to surgically forming a joint, that is called arthroplasty. Rule number 3, if a combining form ends with the same vowel that begins a suffix, one of the vowels is dropped. If you have two vowels, the term, that means inflammation of the inside of the heart. Inflammation of the inside of the heart is built from the suffix itis. Itis means inflammation. The prefix is endo, means inside. And the combining form for this inflammation of the inside of the heart, cardio, endo, cardi plus itis. So it would result in endocarditis, not cardiotitis. It is endocarditis. Instead, one of the eyes, here see the two eyes are there. One of the eyes is dropped because two eyes are not required here. So one of the vowel is removed and the term is spelled as endocarditis. Two eyes is not required. One is removed. Endocarditis. That's all. Rule number 4, if two or more combining forms are used in a term, that is more than two combining forms are used in a term, the combining vowel is retained between the two regardless of whether the second combining form begins with a vowel or a constant. So second vowel is not, that is second combining form is not at all considered. For example, joining gastroentero means small intestine, gastro means your digestive system, with the suffix itis results in the term. How to word this, coin this term? Gastroenteritis. So gastroenteritis. Gastroenteritis. So here the combining vowel is kept between the two combining forms. That is, entero begins with the vowel E and the combining vowel is dropped before the suffix itis. So it combines enterotis. That is just enterotis. And here in this figure you can see the decoding of the term. How to decode this term? This is a term, esophagogastro. Sometimes when two or more combining forms are used to make a medical term, special notice must be paid to the order in which the combining forms are joined. So some order has to be followed. Joining esophagoduodeno, which means duodenum, the first part of the small intestines, this portion, duodenum, which means duodenum, which means the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine, with the suffix scopy. Scopy means viewing something. It produces the term esophagogastroduodenoscopy. So this is the word esophagogastroduodenoscopy. It is a viewing of the esophagus, stomach and duodenum, all the three. So in this procedure, the examination takes place in a specific sequence. So when you are viewing these organs, this part of the system, there is an order, specific sequence order is there. That is, you have to start from esophagus first, because in the digestive system, esophagus comes first. So the order goes like that: esophagogastroduodenum, esophagogastroduodenoscopy. So esophagus comes first, duodenum comes last. So you have to coin the word like that. So the specific sequence is esophagus first, stomach second, then the duodenum comes at the last. Thus, the term reflects the direction in which the scopy is done, that the scope travels through the body. So it gives the direction also. First esophagus, after that gastrointestinal, after that only duodenum. So the word itself gives you in which direction, which sequence you have to go. So this is a rule that has to be followed.
Dear friends, hope you have become familiar with some of the medical terminologies, some of the terms used, some of the medical words which is commonly used in the medical area. I hope whoever is watching this session will come to know about those words that will help them a lot wherever they go. So I'll be giving more words, more informations about these medical terms in the other video sessions also. Until then, it is a bye from KNS Biochemistry. Thank you very much. Namaskar.